Linux Basics. Episode 3, Permissions. Every file and process in Linux is owned by a user. First, let us see who we are. The Who Am I command tells you your username, and the ID command shows your user ID and the groups you belong to. We are logged in as Cuppa-Linux. Now let us look at file permissions. I will create a file and run ls-l on it. That long listing shows a permission string with 10 characters. The first character is the file type. A dash means a regular file. Then 3 groups of 3. Owner, read, write, execute. Group, read, write, execute. And others, read, write, execute. R stands for read. W for write. X for execute. Right now, the owner has read and write. So does the group and everyone else. Let us make this file executable with chmod plus X. The plus sign adds a permission, minus removes one. You can be specific. U plus X adds execute for just the file owner. G minus W removes write for the group. Or plus X all by itself adds execute for everyone at once. Permissions also have a numeric shorthand. Read is 4, write is 2, execute is 1. Add them together for each group. 6 is read plus write. 4 is read only. So chmod 644 sets the owner to read and write, and everyone else to read only. chmod 755 gives the owner full access, and everyone else read and execute. What if we want to change who owns a file? That is, chown. But you cannot take ownership away from another user. See that? Operation not permitted. We need sudo. Sudo, short for super user do. With sudo in front, we can change the owner to root. Here is a classic permission denied error. I try to read the shadow password file as a regular user and the system stops me. With sudo in front, it works, because root can access anything. But with great power comes great responsibility. That is permissions. Who am I, ls-l, chmod, chown, and sudo. Next time, pipes, redirects, and chaining commands together like a pro.